First, install and activate the REES plugin from the WordPress plugin dashboard. After activation, go to Dashboard, WooCommerce, Settings, REES Settings. This is where all REES plugin settings are managed. To create a property, go to Dashboard, Products, Add New. Create a new product and select the real estate product type. All property-specific information is configured inside the Product Data panel of the product editor. Under Product Data, General, enter basic property information such as price, size, number of rooms, and other core details. You can choose custom measurement units and define them under REES Settings, General Settings. Before adding a location to your property, you should first configure the map settings. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Search and Maps, create a Google Maps API key, and paste it into the corresponding field. Here, you can also adjust the default map zoom and apply a custom Google Maps style. Now, return to the product editor and open Product Data, Location. Enter the property address and map coordinates so it appears correctly on Google Maps and in location-based searches. If you don't use the map, you can still add the address, and it will appear on the front end without a map view. This feature requires a valid Google Maps API key. Go to Dashboard, WooCommerce, REES Settings, Search and Maps, enable the travel time option, and configure the distance unit. This allows visitors to see estimated travel distances from the property to selected destinations. Near places also require a valid Google Maps API key. Under Dashboard, WooCommerce, REES Settings, Search and Maps, enable the Nearby Places option and configure the settings. This will display nearby amenities such as schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and landmarks on the front end. In Product Data, Virtual Tour, you can create and configure a virtual tour for the property. First, create a tour by adding images. Then configure options such as initial view, zoom level, auto rotation, and auto load behavior. You can also set a preview image for the tour. Use the top chevron to expand the preview mode and review the tour directly in the editor. Product data, video, attach a video walkthrough or promotional video for the property. Use product data, floor plans to upload floor plan images and descriptions, helping users better understand the property layout. Go to Dashboard REES Settings, Search in Maps, Mortgage Calculator, and enable the Mortgage Calculator. This allows users to estimate monthly payments based on property price, deposit percentage, interest rate, and repayment term. You can also use the provided shortcode to display the mortgage calculator anywhere on your website. Under Product Data, File Attachment, upload additional documents such as brochures, legal documents, or detailed property specifications. You can choose to display attachments in either a list view or table view. To display contact information, go to Dashboard, WooCommerce, REES Settings, General Settings, and select the administrator whose contact details should appear on the property page. You can also enable the Contact Pop-up option to display contact information in a pop-up instead of showing it in line with other property components like features, floor plans, or file attachments. When enabled, this contact block is removed from the sortable property components list. To prevent spam, configure Google ReCAPTCHA at WooCommerce, Settings, REES Settings, Google ReCAPTCHA. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, REES, General Settings. Here you can choose where property information components are displayed, such as above product tabs like description, reviews, or additional information. You can also reorder these components to control how information appears on the property page. The REES plugin automatically creates a search results page. You can customize how properties appear in search results, including layout, map or list view, pagination, and visual elements. These settings are available under 3 tabs: Basic Design, Basic Search, Advanced Search. In these sections, you can control search field order, visibility, styling, and filtering behavior to help users find properties more easily.